Road Trip of the Mind. Hi, I'm Susan Nash, and I'm here to talk to you today about a course that you have signed up for and which has the potential to change the way that you perceive the world and to make you think of things in new ways. As we progress in this class, we will be doing what I consider a road trip, but instead of actually going to the road, as in Jack Kerouac, this is a road trip of the mind. Now, as in a regular road trip, you have a chance to choose your route. So you will have a map, which are your options of courses or the units that you can take, and then you can select them. So you can go down the road that you find interesting. So as you choose your segments to do, basically be sure to think about what you are interested in, and then think about how those selections help you open up your mind in new ways, and they correspond to the things that you find interesting or that you would like to know about in your world. Also, think about your overall academic progress. Think about your own curriculum planning. What have you thought about for your study in depth, for example? The road trip of the mind could actually help you as you start to think about your topic for your study in depth. Now, in the case of the road trip of the mind, you will notice that there are readings. Don't worry, those are not the only readings that you have. Please think about how you can do more exploration in conjunction with your interests. For example, there is a unit that has to do with your personal utopias. I've just recently been rereading the theories about fairy tales by a scholar by the name of Jack Zipes. He analyzes the fairy tale and talks about, in certain ways, how they posit utopian and sometimes dystopian worlds. In particular, he talks about Frank Baum and The Wizard of Oz. Now think about this. How interesting would it be to look at the film, The Wizard of Oz, and perhaps a few of Frank Baum's actual works. There are 14 installments of The Wizard of Oz, and each one of those contains numerous worlds, and each posits a potential utopia and also a critique of the way that we have our world organized now. Now, as you know, at this point in time, as you get ready to take this course, we are at a critical juncture point in the history of our nation, and we are asked as individuals to envision better worlds, and actually with the stimulus bill and also with spending provisions of our new budget, we are asked how to spend that to create a better world, create better communities, and also to develop human capital. So in many ways, in order to be a productive citizen of our world, we're asked to take personal road trips of the mind. So I am very open to exploration and how this course can help us develop human capital, become better citizens, and also help our communities, and how we can emerge stronger, more robust, and more flexible after this time of challenge. So thank you for taking this course, Road Trip of the Mind. I'm Susan Nash, College of Liberal Studies, the University of Oklahoma.